Oh, he wheelied it over himself.
So, this is part 2 of Zenith's mower.
With a 7-speed transaxle.
7-speed. We started painting it.
Just the hood.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna do it kind of the same color scheme as mine. Have it black on the vents, or red on the vents, and then black around. We have some flat black, and then he has some gloss black that we're gonna use.
Just a little test area. To see how it looks, because this is all faded.
We're gonna get painting done today. What else? Well, not fully done, but some of it done.
Yeah.
What else? We could start fabricating an exhaust.
I already got the sports cut for the front of it.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna have to go take them over and get them drilled.
We're gonna go next door.
Some, drill press when they get home.
Yeah, they're not home, but he pressure washed it today.
Just know how I'm getting paint all over this because I plan on repainting this.
Mm-hmm.
This is a rat rod build.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh yeah, a rat rod lawnmower.
I see a lot of people doing them. But, yeah, keep you guys updated. So, this is what we got done. We painted, or we had the red here already, then we put some tape over there, put it around.
New paint.
Yeah, that's new paint. And then,
Exhaust tip.
we just haven't painted that yet. We're in the process of making the exhaust, almost done.
Just got one more, two more welds to make.
But
That's gonna sit there like that. Just like that.
it's pointed down because of race regulations. We're actually going to race this one. This one is just meant for playing around with.
You're gonna tractor pulls.
Yeah, well, we're going to put the smaller pulley on the back. But that's really it for this one. We pull start it, or it doesn't, since it doesn't have a battery, it still has a deck pulley, so we got the cord, wrapped it around there, and pulled it, and it started, so it's probably what we're going to be doing. That's pretty much it. Sorry the video's so short, but thanks for watching, and I'll see ya.